And I think when you harness storytelling strategies that are perhaps more typical of something like literary memoir, you can still use them in these miniature forms. So my LinkedIn profile tells stories about growing up in Montana and, picking wild huckleberries and selling them. That was like my first job. And so it's a creative way of talking about my work history and how the work ethic and the care that came with that, because we cleaned huckleberries by hand. And so that sense that you didn't have to play by the usual rules and work for minimum wage or something, that you could think more creatively and have a kind of premium product, that put you in a different category and that allowed you more freedom and autonomy and satisfaction. I mean, I don't say all of that in LinkedIn bio, but it's part of my strategy is to use
Yeah.
an unconventional personal anecdote to then talk about work history and then my perspective now as a writer and as a coach.